Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the chemistry session. Today we will continue our chapter Environmental Application. Materials: you need a notebook, a pencil, and the chemistry book. Instructions: sit in a quiet and comfortable room. Watch the video more than once. Pause the video and try to solve the applications alone. And finally, solve the homework assigned by your teacher. Objectives: at the end of this video, you will be able to define desalination and explain the process of desalination. First of all, let's recall back. What is the name of the process shown in the picture aside? Excellent. It is clarification. Define clarification. Good. It is the process by which a clear water is obtained using filtration. Does this process give a pure water? No, this process gives a clear water. Can we drink this water? No, because it contains microorganisms. Good job. What is the name of the process shown here? Excellent. Water purification. Let's recall the steps of water purification. The first step is screening, where metal screens remove sticks, cans, and large particles. Then, chemical treatment, where the addition of chemical substances which trap the tiny suspended particles in the water. Step 3. Sedimentation. Tiny suspended particles trapped by chemical substances settle to the bottom of the tank. This sedimentation followed by filtration, where it removes any suspended particle. Then finally we have disinfection, where chlorine is added to kill any bacteria. Good job. Does this process give a pure water? Yes, it gives a pure water. Is this obtained water drinkable? Excellent. This water is potable. We all know that desert cities need a lot of water, but from where they should obtain drinkable water? Think. Here's an idea. Making the seawater safe to drink. Which method helped to obtain drinkable water from seawater? Purification? No. Clarification? No. Indicate why these two methods are not convenient. Excellent, because these two methods remove suspended particles only, and salt is dissolved in water and cannot be removed using these methods. Hence, we should eliminate the salt from the seawater. So, how to convert the seawater into a drinkable water? This occurs by a process called desalination. But what is desalination? Let's watch this video about desalination. First, seawater is piped into a large flat basin which is covered with a transparent plastic dome. The basin is exposed to sunlight. The trapped solar energy causes the water to evaporate. Evaporate means to become a gas water vapor. The water vapor condenses on the surface of the dome and accumulates into a collecting tube. The collected water is chemically treated to make it hygienic and safe to drink. So, during desalination, is the obtained water drinkable? Excellent. It is drinkable.
And from where is this water obtained?
Excellent. It is obtained from seawater. So, to define desalination, it is the process by which a potable or drinkable water can be obtained from seawater. It is one of the ways to remove salt from seawater. Let's talk about desalination step by step. In step 1, seawater is piped into a large basin which is covered with a transparent dome. The basin is exposed to sunlight. In step 2, the trapped solar energy causes the water to evaporate. So, this seawater, which is liquid, will become a gas because they are exposed to sunlight. So the name of change of state that occurs in this step is evaporation, which is the transformation from liquid, which is water, into gas, which is water vapor. Step 3, the water vapor condenses on the surface of the dome and accumulates into a collecting trough. So the water vapor obtained from evaporation previously will become again water at the surface of the dome. The name of the change of state that occurs in this step is condensation, where the gas, the water vapor, will become again a liquid, which is water. So as a conclusion, during desalination, the seawater is piped into a large flat basin which is covered with a transparent plastic dome. The basin is exposed to sunlight. The trapped solar energy causes the water to evaporate. Evaporate means the water transformed from liquid to gas. The water vapor condenses on the surface of the dome, which means the water transformed from gas to liquid. And finally, distilled water accumulates into a collecting tube. Is the water obtained potable? Excellent. No, it is not potable. What should be done to make this water potable? The collected water is chemically treated, adding chlorine, for example, to make it safe for drinking. What is the technique you studied before, similar to desalination? Excellent. Simple distillation. Let us compare between the two techniques. In both techniques, a seawater or salty water is used. Also, in both techniques, evaporation occurs, followed by condensation, and finally, distilled water is collected. Let us evaluate our lesson. Define desalination. Excellent. Desalination is the process by which potable or drinkable water can be obtained from seawater. Label the following figure. Take your time. Excellent. A is the basin, B is distilled water, C evaporation, and D condensation. Prepared by Teacher Zainab Ftouni. Voice recorded by Teacher Zainab Ftouni. Reviewed and supervised by Teacher Dalal Bais. Thank you for listening.